You his baby mother or just a girlfriend?
Baby, I'm wifey, so.
Oh, you got a ring?
Yes.
Oh, is it real?
Yes.
Where's it from?
None of your business. You want one?
I got one.
Look, she said she don't want no scrub nigga. But since we got a bag, she been tryna fuck with us. She stuck up on the game like a sticker. She wants some Mr. Fame, we just tryna get richer. She said like, ooh, what's up? Let me kick it with you. Look, I'm with the gang, who you bringing with you?
We about to take them. Wait, let me close my room.
I kind of felt a little shady by that.
What?
What's funny?
All right, babe, let's take it.
Wait, where's the shots at? Hold on.
Okay, Taylor.
Wait, is this recording?
All right.
How you do this? This is ghetto.
It's ain't here, ma. It's right here.
Wait, we wait for Taylor right here.
What are we talking to?
Life.
No.
More life.
We talking to my new tattoo.
Blessings. That's mine.
Where's your shot?
Taylor trying to steal drinks.
Hold on.
Yes. Safe night. Wait, we sharing?
But every time she goes out, she wears heels.
That's why.
I don't wear. Oh, that's how you are?
Oh yeah, I don't wear
I wear
heels.
sneakers. Everywhere I go. I can't even walk in them bitches.
I wear heels.
Oh, so that's broke.
Caleb be having the heels all right.
Me sure I was that talking about that shit, bro. But no, I don't mind wearing heels, but it's just like if I have the choice to put on like some kicks or something, then I'm gonna put some.
Oh, I mind wearing heels.
Why does my fucking gel keep chipping? This is
How old are you?
me? 23.
Oh, okay.
How old I look?
23.
Oh, okay. How old are you?
How old I look?
24,
I
25.
look 25.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
Oh, okay. I got your personality, like it goes.
Oh, I get mature. Oh, really?
I'm so proud of you, Taylor. I'm so fucking proud.
We'll see, you know.
Right. Wait till we get these shots in. They can't start shaking that ass.
No, I'm gonna pace myself.
Might not make it out.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm gonna pace myself. That's why I bought the margarita 1800 because I'm gonna just be sipping on this. I'm
I thought that one was yours.
I'm not taking shot. Oh.
This one? It is, but it ran out.
Oh, you're
So
not
that's why I
taking
bought this one.
You're not taking shots?
No, I am.
Friends who live out here, they're not and they should be having to pull up.
But they been said that was managing, so.
But look what you talk.
At Atlantic, you're gonna, it's just not crowded, you'll go to National and have a sex toy, but you can buy a box.
Chicken and have you turn it on your best friends.
Well, yeah. My fried chicken same too.
Nah.
Your fried chicken say what?
My fried chicken same.
Yo, Taylor. Stop the chill. He don't
My
want
fried
no
chicken
smoke.
is him.
He don't want no smoke.
Where?
Fill up.
I mean, no, cause Ebony was eating that fried chicken the other day. I know you got that recipe from.
He just said he probably make better chicken than me. Can you please tell me?
My fried chicken is ham, respectfully.
Can you tell me he don't want smoke?
Do y'all want to fight? That's the vibes I'm getting.
Ask him, do he want smoke? He don't want smoke my fried chicken.
I don't know if y'all want smoke.
I thought it could be a video.
It could be a video.
That's how I feel.
And
You can
we're
try
gonna have to go from there.
You don't want this smoke.
You can try to outcook me. I'm saying, you feel it. Like if I
said
lose,
chicken,
if
don't
I
say
lose,
cook.
I'll lose. If you
Don't say
out chicken me,
Out chicken. Say the chicken challenge.
You out chicken me, you out chicken me.
Yo, what's the best place you had chicken from out here?
Bad.
No.
Unfortunately, they don't got
What's going on?
Chicken is dumb.
The collard greens is very
What's going on?
I don't know.
It's a whole lot of
shit going on.
And y'all met at the mall?
Yeah. That's
And
my
what's
that's
what's
my
your name?
papa. That's the name.
Huh?
Destiny, you his girlfriend or something?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh wow, girl, you need to leave.
Um,
You wanna fight or something?
no.
Cause I'm willing to go to war for that one. He was treating me good.
Baby. That's cool. That's cute. I
Oh.
don't hear about it, but
Very
that's
sexy.
well, you playing on his phone and
I'm not
you trying
playing
to
on
spend
his
some
phone.
quality time
He
together,
actually
so-
texted me and told me I was disrespectful because I didn't tip the waiter yesterday.
Well, I mean, do you got text messages? Got text messages with each other?
Of course.
Okay, well, screenshot it and then send it to this number, okay?
But you a woman, you don't believe me? I don't got nothing to
No.
lie about.
Okay, well, send screenshots and send it to this number.
Alright, but I'm from New York. I'm not from here. I don't got nothing to lie about, boo.
Okay, and that's fine. So if you're not lying, send screenshots.
You his baby mother or just a girlfriend?
Baby, I'm wifey, so
Oh, you got a ring?
yes.
Oh, is it real?
Yes.
Where's it from?
None of your business. You
Oh.
want one?
I got one. He was about to give me
so
one
you don't need
too.
to be on my nigga dick.
But I'm not on his dick. He paid for my food. But your man paid for my food.
That's fine.
Yeah, he was tricking. You know your man being here tricking. I wasn't vulnerable. I ain't say 2 words to him.
Okay.
He paid for the food and that was it.
So why you just can't scream me the screenshots, love?
Oh, I could send you the screenshots, the baby girl.
Okay, we'll do that. Thank you. I'm waiting.
He said send me the. Oh,
We done got this man in trouble. We done got this man in trouble. That's what he get for cursing me out.
Me and my friends, we didn't say nothing to him. They just paid for our food.
Yes. I mean, I understand.
That's why I just feel like he was giving me trick bobs because we didn't even say nothing to him. We was about to go to the Louis store and everything. Like, he was really talking that shit, so I don't understand how niggas got a wifey all day now.
Well, I'm waiting for the screenshots and stuff, so.
Shut the fuck up.
It is number.
Okay. Okay, it's loading right now. It's about to
Okay, well, you send them and then if I get them, I'll call you back.
I just feel like you're not gonna call me back. They send it right now. I just want honesty, you know?
Well, send them and then you call me back.
Bet. I got you.
Okay.
She about to fuck him up. She said if these fucking screenshots coming, I'm down with you.
No, we fucking up their relationship.
Shit, he fucked up his relationship.
Oh my god, you fucked up.
Oh well.
What happened?
Remember the niggas from the mall yesterday?
Yeah.
His bitch is on the phone.
Who called
No,
him?
I'm violating him because he tried to violate my friend.
Wait,
Send me them fucking
wait.
screenshots.
What happened though? I'm confused.
We
Who
just
called-
decided to prank call and his girlfriend just so happened to be there. But he tried to black on Taylor,
Wait,
so now I'm really
so
violating him.
she answered his phone.
She was like, we've been a couple. We trying to have quality time. We've been together for a couple of years.
Did you tell her? Well, like
He was tricking on us. He bought our food. We
You told
told
her?
and I'm sending it to her because why would you hold?
You told her that?
Yeah,
What she
and I'm sending the
say?
screenshots because you tried to come for Taylor, and now I feel it.
This is what he said, by the way. Here, this is.
I
what
can't
he
wait to
said.
call her back. Niggas ain't
Just do
shit.
that.
Wait, so
Look what he said.
No, because
to
if he
me.
didn't try to get crazy with Taylor,
Wait,
I would have
so-
never violated his. He
She said
fucked up
she's-
his own
So
shit.
she said she's gonna call y'all back.
No, she said send it and then call her back, and I'm calling.
Oh.
If you want to trick, but don't even sit here and act like you got morals when now you laid up with your bitch and you was just
Right.